Hi, I'm Shin, and I'm going to introduce about the Redefining Your Future READ project that's funded by the Empowerbot. To start off, my impact statement is I'm a firm believer in confronting changes and innovation, and I believe there are always ways to make things better and more accessible. I dedicate my life to improve humanity's quality of life by creating innovative products and services and persistently striving for improvement. So why we want to start this project in the first place is, first of all, we noticed that in Malaysia, there are children that have been neglected or abandoned, having the darkest experiences that are unimaginable. Some children were unfortunately being assigned to classes unbefitting to their capabilities and mental age. Rumah Safia is being set up to help the children in keeping up with schoolworks and chasing their grades. Therefore, our objective is to help the children to have an equal start in life and also an equal opportunity to reach their full potential as a citizen, regardless of their races. We want to help the children to catch up with their studies no matter how of their capabilities, and we want to help to enhance the children's self-confidence, soft skill, and also communication skills. And this is aligned to SDG 4, which is to ensure an inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. So as mentioned, we partnered with Rumah Safia to carry out a series of key activities, such as, first of all, our volunteers actually plan and also teach the children in Rumah Safia to help them to chase their grades. And secondly, we also help to actually organize some recreational activities such as art class or even sport class for the children in Rumah Safia. We also do a bunch of charity work in Rumah Safia to help them across this difficult time. And finally, we also organized the Global Village, where we actually invited international volunteers from different countries to actually share about their culture to the local community in Heriot-Watt. So with all these activities, we are able to achieve these project outcomes or impacts, which are 1 impacted NGO, 1 cultural exchange exhibition, 6 international volunteers involved, as well as 65 students participating throughout this project as well. Of course, we also have the other impacts, such as we also help to prepare the number of teaching materials for Rumah Safia to help them to lay a strong foundation for their education in the NGO. Other than that, we also help to organize 2 events in the NGO itself to actually bring a better life for the children in Rumah Safia. Finally, I just want to say thank you to all the organizing committee that's involved in this project. All of them are from Heriot-Watt in Malaysia, and they are also eligible to claim for 100 megawatt points under the domain of emotional intelligence, resilience, and happiness. Last but not least, a really big thank you to Empowerbot for helping us to actually make all this happen in this project itself. Thank you.